Today, I'll show you how to add a shipping zone in WooCommerce. First, make sure shipping is enabled. Go to WooCommerce Settings in the dashboard. Under General and under Shipping Locations, choose an option like Sell to Specific Countries. Save changes to make the Shipping tab appear. Next, go to WooCommerce Settings in the dashboard. Under Shipping, click Add Shipping Zone. Start by giving your zone a name like California or local delivery to help identify the region. Then use the regions drop down to select countries, states or continents for this zone. For more precise control, enable limit to specific zip/postcodes. Here you can add individual codes, use comments for multiple ones, wildcards for broader coverage, or ranges for a series of zips. Once done, your new shipping zone is ready. You can now assign shipping methods and rates to this zone, ensuring customers see the correct options based on their location. And that's it. Setting up shipping zones helps you manage deliveries efficiently and improves your customers' shopping experience.